Now, Danny, I understand that you would like to talk to me most about rate hardening. Is that correct?
Yeah, I mean, we're in a situation in the market we work in, which is the employers and public liability market, casualty market. Rates have been declining for the last 5 or 6 years, and we're at an area now where it's getting to the point of people who have got to start realising rates have got to go up, and we're trying to be selective with what we do, but at some point the UK casualty market has to pick up, and it's difficult out there.
But how are you going to make the rates go up? That's the thing.
Well, unfortunately, that's the tough one. We need some of the maybe the larger composites to start looking at their rates, looking at reserving. Are they reserving correctly? Is the market making money? At the end of the day, we're in the perfect storm. We're getting low investment returns. We're getting bottom of the rates. We're getting a recessional market, which means fraudulent claims. We've sort of got the perfect storm at the moment. So we're hoping at some point this is going to start hurting people. Certainly with the investment returns at the moment, with the equity markets doing what it's doing this week, for example, some people have got to be hurting soon. So things are going to have to go up shortly.
So is there anything that people can do to bring the rates up, to force that forward, if you will?
Well, I think we've got to, being honest, I mean, we as a company don't give out binding authorities. I think you've got to look at where these binding authorities are being given to, and I'm being a bit harsh here, but we've got to look at the actually underwriting being done out there. As simple as that, and actually start bringing it back in-house and look at the rates we're setting there. We're a long-tail business. You know, these claims are going to come in at some point, you know, so we have to have the money in the bank for them now.
So where to for the rest of the year for you guys?
Well, we're going to carry on. We've now set up a London office. We're turning that hopefully in the next few months into a permanent establishment, a branch situation. My guy Andy Moulsdale will be running that out of Leadenhall Street. So we've now got access to brokers. Service is always the key for us. We're always there on service. We give great documentation, etc. And I think for us, giving the brokers what they need, the big composites lack a bit in service. And I think what we're doing is giving direct access to underwriters, myself and my colleagues, and we can get in there, get the quotes out, get the documents out. And I think with the market doing what it's doing, I think that's the key for the brokers. Now you've got a consistent underwriter there who's always there on the end of the phone, giving the service, giving the documents, etc. And obviously handling claims well.
We hear a lot about service in the industry. Everyone says they get good service. So what is it really that makes you guys different?
I think honestly it comes down to access to underwriters. You know, we're on the end of the phone, we answer emails straight away, our quotes are done within a few hours, it's all online, it's documentation is done straight away. And it really is, it's the brokers talking to us and saying, you know, this is what we want and that's what we give them. And obviously handling the claims.
An easy question, what are you up to tonight?
Probably the same as last night, a few beers in the casino.
Thank you for chatting with us.
All the best, cheers.